Yes, went through the ladder and right above my mom, give her some wind. It's a hot day. With the wind, it's much more challenging. And I went through, yes. So here we go. Yes, that was clean. Don't give up. Don't give up. Walking my helicopter. Oh, hold on, there's one more challenge. And look at that, how much wind coming. But I'm still able to fly forward. Uh-oh, sorry, I didn't see that. But I just want to make myself dizzy a bit. I'm telling you people, this thing is absolutely fun. And once you set the trims, it's really very stable. Everything is here. So this room is really very cramped, but I can still fly it in my room, people. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, assalamu alaikum, greetings, Ali Shamo here. Welcome to my little room and welcome to more RC helicopter review. Right here in my hands, yes. Check this out, this beautiful little highly scaled replica of Eurocopter 135, EC135 right here in my hands. This is ESKY 150 EC, ultra micro scaled EC135, designed for beginners, so it's very easy to fly. It has an altitude hold feature and also it is crash resistant. It's durable. What's more, if you crash it, you don't have to reinitialize the gyro, but just put it back on its skid and start flying. That's what ESKY claims. But before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon and turn on all the notifications. Now, let me give you a quick closer look at this helicopter and I'll fly it. Alright, welcome to my table. Let's take a quick look at the helicopter right here. It's a scaled replica of EC135. Eurocopter 135. It has, as you notice, a flybarless main rotor head, fixed pitch main rotor. That means you have to control the altitude using the speed of the rotor, and that is throttle. But it has an altitude hold feature, so beginners will have an easy time to fly it. Canopy is removable and you insert the battery inside. I'm going to show it to you later. Scaled skids, okay, very scaled look. Horizontal stabilizer and a very scale looking tail rotor. I thought that, wow, how could they make an ducted scale tail rotor? But hey, no, it's just a dummy. Outside we have a 3-blade mini propeller running on a brushed motor right here. The helicopter is using the 150 mAh 1S 3.7 volt battery that you will charge using a supplied USB dongle right here. The helicopter comes ready to fly. It's using the same ESKY radio, okay, Mini 6X. All right, so nothing much to see. We have a high and low dual rates. Then we have arm and disarm for the motor and 2 sticks and trimmers right here. Very easy to use, and you have seen this radio. You've watched this radio in my other videos. It comes with the other ESKY helicopters as well. Now to insert the battery, you just have to pull it apart. Actually, here it says pull the canopy cover forward. Okay, well, it is wrong. You cannot pull it forward. Do not pull it forward. You will break it. So what you need to do is remember that it actually has 2 little pins that coming out from the canopy. So you have to first pull it out a little bit and then you can remove the other side as well. So inside right here you will add the battery and instantly it will turn on. Okay, so you can turn on the radio as well. Wait for the initialization. There you go. It's ready to take off. Low mode, taking off. I better stand up. Yes, now I can see the wind is coming from the window there. And it does affect on the helicopter, but it's still, as you can see, in low dual rates mode. I'm still able to fly it forward without any struggle. So I just push slightly forward and it goes. Now let's just stay close to the window so you can see how the wind is actually affecting. Pushing it back. Yeah, you can see how it oscillates forward and backward, but overall it is handling those winds. Haha, pushed by the wind. It is super fun to fly, man. And in my cramped room it flew very well, but I didn't have much space to actually enjoy flying it around. But now you can see I can fly circles, control and enjoy some speed as well. And I'm not worried about crashing it because I know it's durable. Oh wait, I have those two hoops up there. I should have put them. But anyway, with the wind, I just have this challenge. And as usual, I'm just gonna go in. The helicopter is in a hurry to go through it. So, uh-oh, sorry. Passengers are still okay. And control with the wind is much more challenging. And I went through, yes. That was a clean flight through that circle. All right, and I will come to this side, this angle, so you can actually see the helicopter going through. Uh-oh, sorry. The rotors are still okay, don't worry. Passengers are still okay. And depth perception though. Uh-oh, sorry. Front side is definitely more challenging because there's depth perception and wind is coming. But I was able to do it. Hold on, the wind is pushing it. Oh, hold it there. Now those winds are kind of like flying it in a storm. But hey, look at that. I'm still handling it and the helicopter is still handling it. Okay, I missed it. That was a depth perception again. So go higher and... Uh-oh, sorry. It's still okay, don't worry. No. Come back here. Control it, my man, control it. Oh. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Turn it off. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna take off again. Yeah, there's a lot of wind coming. That's why I'm also having trouble to do this challenge. But I was able to do it twice, and look at that, how much wind coming. But I'm still able to fly forward very, very easily. No problems at all. So yes, it can actually handle more than 5 meters per second, man. It's actually doing it. Okay, this time I did it, but with a little hit. Okay, control it. Bring it back. Go again. Yes, clean. Man, what a fun little helicopter to fly, I can tell you that. Indoors, outdoors. I'm sure it will handle 5 meters per second wind just easy. Look at that, man. Beautiful. I still have one more challenge, and that is to land it on that little thingy. But I just want to make myself dizzy a bit. All right, the battery is going down, so let's try landing it. Oh, sorry. Come on, power, power, power. All right, the battery ran out. Let me change the battery because I want to do this challenge. Okay, so here we go. Challenge for, this is second battery, challenge for landing. All right, so bring it here, stabilize it. The winds don't bother me, please. And hold on, right there. Uh-oh, missed it. Okay, let's do it again. Come on, EC135. You can do it. No, missed it. Oh, big time missed it. So, don't give up. Don't give up. Almost there. Yes, 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 I did it. That was nice. That was just a very tiny place. All right, now I'm just gonna sit and relax and fly it, man. So here we go. I'm telling you, people, this thing is absolutely fun. And once you set the trims, it's really very stable. If you don't have winds, this thing can be hands-free at times. Flying it indoors is just pure fun. So I have one more challenge to do, and that is to go from there where the books are. Uh-oh, sorry. The ceiling is pretty low. Pilot cannot see up. Forgot to raise his head. So here we go. Yes, that was clean. And can we do from... nah, I don't know if we can do from the stairs or not. Ladder. Yes, went through the ladder and right above my mom, give her some wind. It's a hot day. My mom says it's like a fan in summer. Notice one thing, that when the helicopter tail rotor is rotating, the scaled rotor inside in the tail is also rotating. So it creates a very realistic scenario, very realistic look, because the original 3-blade tail rotor is transparent, and that is the reason they kept it transparent, because once that's spinning, we cannot see it, and all we see is that, you know, ducted tail rotor spinning slowly, so it gives a very realistic look. Man, what a sweet little heli. Okay, I'm gonna take it to my room and land it there. That's enough flight. Where's the battery? There's the battery. Come on, helicopter, let's go to the room. Walking my helicopter. Oh, hold on, there's one more challenge right there under the kitchen area. Uh-oh, sorry, I didn't see that chair. That chair is culprit. Let's try it again. This is not a big deal actually for me and for this helicopter. So here we go. Go down there. Nice and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, one circle. And let's go back to the room. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Welcome to my messy room. 3D printing workshop. RC helicopter, RC airplane, and general RC vehicle and general RC workshop. And my daytime, nighttime office right here. Everything is here. So this room is really very cramped, but I can still fly it in my room, people. You have watched the first section where I did some crash testing. And that's why I said it is a sweet helicopter. There you go. Nice landing. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.